Traditional layout has not really changed since literally the Egyptians, and it is a pair of people with a piece of string called a chalk box, and they're going to snap that and leave a mark of chalk on the ground, and that's called marking a chalk line. And that is an incredibly manual, incredibly tedious process. Anytime your layout is wrong, anytime it's incomplete, anytime it's just not clear, you're going to drive rework, you're going to hurt your schedule as people are going to have to go back and do it a second time. You're going to have a world where people need to do everything twice. Dusty is a product that takes anything in your digital model and prints it directly on the ground at 1-to-1 scale so that everyone understands how to either build a construction project or install a manufacturing facility with perfect accuracy. What gets people's eyes to really light up is when you start printing installation instructions. You start printing what needs to be put there and how it needs to be built, and people think, oh, I can actually change my systems and processes for building, not just get the systems I had been doing done faster. So our entire product is built on SOLIDWORKS. The entire robot is fully 3D modeled in SOLIDWORKS, and we can use that to make really strong, not just design decisions, but manufacturing decisions. It's the industry standard. We all know it, and all of our manufacturing and design partners know it. I think it makes for a much better collaboration process, not just internal to Dusty, but with our partners that we work with to design the robot, whether it's designing individual components or manufacturing. It's really great that SOLIDWORKS is helping us all the way through the design process, through the manufacturing process, because with one single system for that, we get the ability to make the design trade-offs and the assembly trade-offs kind of at one time with our design team and our manufacturing team that sit right next to each other in the office. And if you're building a product that, yeah, it works in a nice little showroom and it works for 10 minutes on a job site before it breaks down, it's not useful. People need to rely on this every day the same way they're going to rely on their power tools, the same way they're going to rely on their hammer. And it needs to be something you take it out of the box, you turn it on, and it just works. For us, it's all about new ways of communicating information to the field and making it so that the information in your digital model isn't stuck there, and instead get something that we can use to build and reduce rework and get the built world built better.